And a happy first day of winter to you, the shortest day of the year as far as daylight. But the good news is we start making improvements tomorrow. High temperatures today should get up right around 70 degrees. Mostly clear skies expected across our area. A few clouds during the first part of the day as a front moves through, but I think that's going to be about it. That front will allow for winds to turn out of the north, and they'll tighten up the winds a little bit as we head into Monday and bring in a slightly less humid, slightly cooler air mass for Monday before the warm-up begins in earnest heading into Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. Notice our winds fairly light over the course of the day, predominantly northeast to easterly flow, but notice as we head through the night tonight into your Monday, those winds begin to tighten up. And we'll see those winds start picking up to about 10 to 15 miles an hour as we move into the daytime on Monday, and that will allow for that slightly drier, slightly cooler air mass to move in. And you'll see that dew point temperatures on Sunday here in the 60s, but watch what happens tonight into Monday. It drops into the 30s, 40s, and 50s with that drier air pushing in from the north and east. And again, you'll notice the drop in humidity more than probably the temperatures, which will be a couple degrees cooler. High temperatures for your Sunday, 60s and 70s, but mainly 70s for most of us. Low temperatures Monday morning, 40s and 50s across our area. A little cooler towards the Chipola River Valley for lows. And then high temperatures Monday, 60s inland to right around 70 down along the coastline. Not too terribly much cooler. Now, rainfall chances, nothing expected over the next 7 days. We stay high and dry. Our front pushes to the south. We stay high and dry with high pressure to our north. That brings in this easterly flow and eventually a southeast and southerly flow. And that's going to mean some pretty warm weather as we make our way on through this Christmas week. Not much rainfall, as I mentioned. A little swath of rainfall, a very light rainfall from Louisiana through Mississippi into Tennessee. But for our neck of the woods, nary a drop. Here's that here's a look at that Christmas Day forecast. Starting off into the 60s, warming into the 70s. Could be a few clouds in the morning, maybe a little patchy fog, but all in all, if you get a bike for Christmas, you will definitely be able to get outside and enjoy it. Or if you need to work off maybe some of that turkey, you will have the opportunity to get outside and go for a walk for sure. For the next 7 days, you'll be able to do that. Look at this. Today being the first day of winter, Monday. Temperatures maybe a couple degrees cooler. Then the warm-up begins Tuesday, Wednesday into Christmas Day and continues into the weekend ahead.